Sanbona and welcome back to my channel where we explore the beauty of Zulu culture. And today we are taking a delicious dive into a traditional dish that's simple, satisfying and full of heart. And it's called Isgwaqane. Isgwaqane is a traditional Zulu food made from just two humble ingredients, and that is maize meal and beans. It's a wholesome, comforting meal often prepared in rural homesteads and during family gatherings. Some say it tastes like home. To make isgwaqane, you need your water, salt to taste, onions, which is optional, maize meal, and sugar beans or kidney beans. And to make it, you'll boil your sugar beans in water until they are tender. And then you can add your chopped onions, your salt to taste. Usually, I would add beef or chicken stock when I'm boiling my beans so that it soaks into the beans. And when your beans are tender, make sure they have some water in it. Then you gradually stir in your maize meal and you cook until thickened. And then you leave it to cook through. I love to serve it hot, and you can garnish it with any herbs that you desire. Some people enjoy it cold and they would have it with tea. I've heard that some people would cook beans and maize meal separately and then they put it together when both of it is ready and then they mix it in together. I'm not sure about that. I would have to try it one day, but they say it's much easier for some people to do it that way. You have to note here that the trick is to mix it in together while both of it are still hot in the stove to give you that delicious hearty dish. This dish is more than just food. It's about family and community. It's often shared in large servings, feeding many at once. It's filling, nutritious, and budget friendly. So it's perfect for big families or special weekends or family traditions or ceremonies. There you have it, as simple as that, and you have a hearty, nutritious meal. Have you ever tasted isgwaqane before? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Zulu food stories. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.